Hi students, welcome to Shaker History classes. In this video, we will discuss about this particular question which was given by UPSC in 1995. The question is, the word Hindu as reference to the people of Hind, that is India, was first used by the Greeks, the Romans, the Chinese, the Arabs. Here the answer is D, the Arabs. Now we will see how the term Hindu or Hind emerged. The source for this question you can find in R.S. Sharma Old NCERT and also in New NCERT 12th standard. This is the extract from R.S. Sharma. Now we will see how the term Hindu and Hind emerged. We have to just go back to early Vedic period. During early Vedic period, what is the time period? This is 1500 BC to 1000 BC. During this time period, the Rigvedic people settled in this area. This is the geographic location of early Vedic period. In later Vedic period, they settled in Gangetic plain. This is the early Vedic period. Here, main settlement area is Indus River. In Rigveda, they term this river as Sindhu River. Sindhu. The term Sindhu came from Rigveda. This is early Vedic period. Now fast forward to 6th century BCE. After later Vedic period, in 6th century BCE, it was the age of Mahajanapadas. Here, Magadha Mahajanapada was becoming powerful at this particular point of time. Around the same time period, here Iranian Empire was also emerging. Like Magadhan Empire is expanding their territories into different Mahajanapadas. In northwestern part of India also, Iranian Empire called Achaemenid Empire was expanding its territories into different dimensions. If we see here, this was the area Achaemenid Empire was expanding. They touched even the European lands as well. They were fighting here also in European side. They were fighting in the northwestern part of India as well. In northwestern part of India in 6th century BCE, two Mahajanapadas, Gandhara, Kamboja were there. Some of the territories of Gandhara, Kamboja were conquered by Achaemenid Empire. They termed the regions beyond Sindhu River as Hindu. So the term Hindu came from Persian language. They converted the term Sindhu in Rigveda into Hindu. So this is for the first time Iranian language used the term Hindu. However, the options here is not given Persian. Here Arabs are given. Now we will see how the term went to Arabs. We will take a table. One is Rigveda. It is the geography. Sindhu River. When it comes to Iranian language, it became Hindu. This is land. They term the land beyond Sindhu River as Hindu. Here it is land. During this time period, in Europe also, continuous wars were happening among their own state and also they were fighting with Achaemenid Empire. The Greeks came to know about India through Iranian contacts. Now see, here the in Sindhu River became Hindu. Now Hindu, from Hindu, H was gone. They called it as Indus. Sindhu River, from S it became Hindu. When it comes to Greek, it became Indus. It is also land. From there, the term India emerged. This is Greeks. Now the option is saying about Arabs. Let us see here. Now we will get one more section, that is Turks. When it comes to Arabs, it became Indus here, the Greeks, it became Hindu, here it became Sindhu. When it entered into Arabian Peninsula, two terms emerged. One is Al-Hind. They derived the word from Iranian Persian language. Hindu, the term Hindu became Al-Hind, it means land. They called people who were settling in Al-Hind were called Hindi. This is the term given by Arabs for the people who were settling in Al-Hind. Come to 12th century. Once again in Indian history, we see invasions from Central Asia. From Central Asia, around 11th and 12th centuries, invasions were taking place here in the form of Turkish invasions. Turks were the people from Central Asia and they derive these names from Al-Hind. They derived once again from Iranian. Little bit change is here the term Hindu was given for the land in Iranian language. Turks given Hindu for the people. They termed land as Hindustan. The language used by Hindustan people was called Hindavi. This is how the term from Sindhu in Rigveda transformed over a period of time in our history. Hindavi is the language. Famous poet in Hindavi language in our history was Amir Khusro. When he was living, he used Hindavi language. So this is how the term Hindu emerged. You have to see not only Arabs, but the history, if you see since the early Vedic period, Sindhu river, then Hindu, then Indus, then Al-Hind, then Hindustan. This is how the term for India changed over a period of time. Here the answer is Greeks, Romans, Chinese were not the answer. The Arabs the answer for this question. Thank you.